Hello and welcome to another build overview for Nomifactory CEu. Today we will be discussing the creation of sodium persulfate. Sodium persulfate is made by electrolyzing sodium bisulfate dust. This produces the sodium persulfate as well as hydrogen gas. The hydrogen gas produces more than the sodium persulfate, so we will need to void the excess if we want the process to keep going. We'll be using the salt chlorine loop to create the sodium bisulfate dust. This is done in a chemical reactor using salt and sulfuric acid on circuit 1. This produces the sodium bisulfate dust as well as a byproduct of hydrochloric acid. This process is probably better suited for hard mode, as it's more difficult to create a source of salt water. The hydrochloric acid is electrolyzed to create chlorine gas with a byproduct of hydrogen as well. The hydrogen again is sent to a tank on void excess mode, and the chlorine gas is sent to another chemical reactor where an input of sodium dust is supplied to create salt. The salt is then looped back into the first chemical reactor with the sulfuric acid, and the process starts over again. The sodium bisulfate dust is electrolyzed and sent to the various tanks. This process can be expanded upwards depending upon how quickly you want the process to proceed. And the only two continuous inputs that are required are the sulfuric acid and the sodium dust. An initial source of chlorine or salt is required to get the process started, but once that's done, the loop is closed and you do not need excess salt or chlorine to be inserted. That's it. Thanks for watching.